Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a rear wheel bearing on a Toyota Highlander. First, gather all your tools, including a jack stands, and a complete socket set. Make sure you have a new wheel bearing assembly and a fresh cotter pin ready. Begin by safely lifting your Highlander and securing it firmly on jack stands on a flat, stable surface. This ensures your safety throughout the repair process. Next, remove the rear wheel, then carefully unbolt and set aside the brake caliper and rotor. You'll then need to remove the large axle nut, which is often secured with a cotter pin. After that, unbolt any additional retaining bolts holding the bearing assembly in place. Finally, use a suitable bearing puller to safely separate and remove the old, worn-out wheel bearing assembly from the hub. Now it's time to install your new wheel bearing. First, thoroughly clean the hub assembly, removing any rust or debris to ensure a smooth fit. Carefully press the new bearing assembly into its housing, making sure it seats evenly and completely. Then, reattach the axle nut, securing it with a new cotter pin, and reinstall the brake rotor, caliper, and finally, the wheel. Double-check all fasteners for proper torque. After installation, carefully lower your Toyota Highlander back to the ground. Take it for a short test drive, listening for any unusual noises and checking that the new bearing operates smoothly. Also, confirm your brakes are functioning correctly and consider a wheel alignment for optimal performance. For more helpful tips and other great deals, check the description below. And remember, you can discover great reads anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for all your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.